And lastly, we have example number 3. We are asked to locate and distinguish the nature of the critical points for this function. So to get your critical points, you need to get your first derivative. So we can do the first derivative test. So we can do quotient rule. X minus 1, tas derivative ng x plus 1 squared. You can do chain rule. 2 times x plus 1. 2 minus 1, so we just don't write it. Then the derivative of x plus 1 is x. And then minus x plus 1 squared. Derivative of x minus 1 is just simply 1. You don't write anything. X minus 1 squared. Distribute everything. Get x minus 1 to x plus 1 minus, pwede natin na-expand to itong pero mamaya na. Let's just put x plus 1 squared over x minus 1 squared. The thing is, we need to equate this to 0 to get our critical points. And then, pag minultiply mo yung x minus 1 squared on both sides, matumultiply sa 0, magiging x minus 1 times 2x plus 1 na lang, tapos minus x plus 1. Ito na lang matitira. O expand natin. Multiply natin both. So, x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 1 is x. 2x minus times negative 1 is negative 2x. Then, negative 1 times positive 1, negative 1. Ito naman, alam natin yung x plus 1 squared ay naka-minus, no? So, minus x squared minus 2x minus 1. Ito yung x squared plus 2x minus plus 1 kasi yung expansion nito. So, dinistribute na natin yung negative 1. Then, we combine everything. Okay. So, 2x 2x squared minus x squared. So, magiging x squared na lang. Okay. Then we have sorry, I think I missed something. Ay, hindi pala natin na distribute to. So, pag dinistribute to, sorry, I missed this part. When we distribute that dito, mali. Dapat magiging 2x plus 2. Okay, sorry. So, dapat magiging 2x plus 2. So, 2x squared plus 2 plus 2x pala dapat. Tapos minus 2 ito. Sorry. Continue. 2x minus x. Wala na yan. O minus 2x na lang matitira doon. Then, negative 2 minus 1. That will be negative 3. Equal to 0. We can factor that out. X. Tapos yung negative 3. Negative 1 positive 3 or negative 3 positive 1. Pwede nating, anong pwedeng i-add para maging negative 2? Edi negative 3 plus 1. So, x minus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. It's x equal to negative 1 and x. This is where you can find your critical points. We do the first derivative test. At 3, 0. So, 2 and 4. Dito. At negative 1, negative 2 and 0. So, sa 3 muna tayo. Kapag naging 2, ang value sa f prime of x, dito natin pwede So, magiging yung buong numerator, ito lang din yun x squared minus 2x minus 3 tapos x minus 1 squared. Pwede natin dito gamitin, Okay. So, we have, kung equal to 2, so magiging 2 squared 4 minus 2 times 2, 4 minus 3, tapos 2 minus 1 is 1 squared. Cancel, negative ang sagot, no? Negative 3. Pag 4 ang sinubstitute, 4 squared minus 2 times 4 minus 3, tapos 4 minus 1, 3 squared. So, magiging 16 minus 8 minus 3. So, magiging 5, tapos ito ay 9. 5 over 9 is positive. So, from negative to positive. At x is equal to 3, it is a local negative minimum. Okay? And then dito sa negative 1, so 0 to, no? Pero pag nag-0 ka, ano matitira? Negative 3 and negative 1. So negative lang din. Pag siniro lang lahat ng may x, negative yung kalalabasan. Paano kung negative 2? Negative 2 squared minus 2 times negative 2 minus 3. Tapos negative 2 minus 1 squared. 4, maging 4 plus 4 minus 3 over negative 2 minus 1. Negative 3 squared magiging 9. 8 minus 3, 5 over 9, positive. So from positive to negative, at x is equal to negative 1, it is a local maximum.